Today's date is January 30th, 2023, and it just stopped snowing. It looks like the clouds are clearing up, and I'm gonna have my fun time trying to shovel snow today. Well, it's about 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. and it was supposed to be sunny at this time of day right now, and well, as you can, I don't know if it's showing up in the video, but it's snowing, so that doesn't make for a good ending to the video. I'm gonna go upstairs and see what it's like up there. Well, I spent about an hour and maybe 15 minutes to shovel this out. And the major problem up here is I'm on the downhill side of the slope, and the rules are the plows push downhill. So naturally, you can see over there, there's nothing, no berm. And right here, we got a berm. So I haven't walked down to see how the other cars are. Let's see how that looks. Fortunately, it wasn't too much. It was about 4 to 6 inches. But it's going to freeze tonight, and then it's going to just be sucky. Well, there's the El Camino and the Titan, so those will be in there for another month, as you can see. But my my Tesla truck configuration is still working out pretty good, but it's snowing still, and I had to dig out the trash area so the trash truck can get in here, and hopefully no bears will come in. I haven't had a problem yet, but since I rebuilt it. So anyway, this is going to be a shorty.